Hello everyone. This channel is all about showing how I make money selling cash secured puts as well as covered calls. I normally use leveraged products for cash secured puts because premiums are high, but another best option to sell cash secured puts are the earnings season. This is the earnings season and a lot of companies are releasing their results, so the premiums are pretty good at this point. So I time to time I take advantage of these earnings events as well as any other events happening on the companies that I know very well. So before I go there, I just want to sell the covered calls on the stocks I already own. All the covered calls I had last week got expired worthless. So the stock got released. Now it's time to sell covered calls on all these stocks. So I have TSLL, SOXL, MSTX, and NVDX. I think all these are looking pretty decent except TSLL. So I am not going to write any covered calls on TSLL, but I will write covered calls on SOXL, MSTX, and NVDX if the premiums are really good and I'm getting the nice strike prices. So starting with MSTX, currently it is at close to 43 and my average price is way above that. I think 85 minus $1,400 of dividend, so it is still 71. I don't think I will get any premiums on 71 strike prices. I don't know if it even exists, but if I go $50, that is also fine. Whatever I get, I'll get it. So if I go this week contract that is expiring this week basically on 21st and $50 strike price that is giving me 25. Wow, this is literally nothing. What if it is next week? Yeah, the MSTR is really boring. It's not moving at all. That's why the premiums are going very bad on these leveraged products on MSTR. So if I go $50 next week, that is giving me 125, which is not bad. But I'm just thinking whether I should write it now or wait. Yeah, this Bitcoin, yeah, it stays stable and all of a sudden it gets momentum and the price can go higher. So that's why I prefer to wait it, but maybe I think it's okay to write covered call at 50. I'm okay to give up on the shares at lower price as well for loss. Okay, I'll probably go 51 and or 51.5 and collect this $100. So I'm still staying in March, staying in February. This is giving me the bid range is dollar to $15. So I'll probably put $5 and sell it. Alright, it got placed but not filled yet. I will leave it like this and go to S4XL. S4XL is doing really good. My average price is 27. So if I look at the covered calls, next week NVIDIA is releasing quarterly results. So the premium should be good, really good next week. So this week, if I look at $31 giving me 36, if I go next week, the same $31 is giving me $6. So that is basically $106 per contract. I think this looks good. I can even go a little bit greedy and 32.75. I think this is good. I'll go with this. I have a strong feeling this SOXL go higher by after NVIDIA's results. So I will go with 32 and collect this $74. Yeah, there is no good bid range, so I will go with this one. Oh, sorry, I'm on buy actually. I want sell. So sell covered call 31 is giving me $5. Okay, selling covered call at $31 strike price. Sorry, actually I want 32. And that's giving me 72 cents. That's fine. Okay, go for it. All right, this got filled and I collected $72. Let me go and update my table. Okay, I'll update it later. So I'm done with SOXL. And yeah, TSLL is not doing any good, so I will leave it here for today. Going to NVDX, I have 200 shares. And again, going to next week, since NVIDIA is giving results, next week should be good. My average price is 14 or something, but my high stock price is around 16.50. So I'll go with $17 strike price. That is giving me 40 cents. This is good. So continue. I have 200 shares, so I can write two contracts. So that's giving me 35 to 45. Let's see if I can sell it for 40 cents per share. It may not execute right away, but I will leave it like this throughout the day and see if it executes anytime today. Oh, nice. It got filled and I collected $80 here. Okay, done with the NVDX for today. Now I have $8,000 of buying power. Now it's time to sell cash secured puts. Looking at the events this week, there are many good companies I know are releasing earnings, but I don't have enough buying power to buy sell cash secured puts on the companies, all the companies I know. So starting with this list, the first one is Arista. I really like this Arista Networks, but the stock price is 109. Even if I want to write a $100 strike price contract, I need 10K, but I don't have it, so I cannot use Arista, even though I like this company. The next one is Shift 4. This one also I know very well and I like this, but the stock price is 124, so I cannot write this. Next to Grab, but I don't see any good premiums on Grab for the contracts that are expiring this week because the stock price already went up pretty high today. It's 9% up today, so I cannot take advantage of this one. Then I like Toast, really good, and the stock price is 42. I can definitely write cash secured puts on this one. Looking at other companies, Cake is another good company, I know, but this is not giving any good premiums. And this one also don't have weekly contracts, so I'll just skip it. Then New Bank. Let's see if New Bank is giving any good premiums. Sell, put. New Bank is actually good at 13 or $12. I'm more comfortable at $12. Even though it has a lot of potential to grow, I would like to buy at $12, but that is giving me just 10 cents. Of course, it is still 1%, which is not bad, but let me see if there are better opportunities. Okay, what else we have? Yeah, this Square, it's formerly Square, now XYZ. This one is also pretty decent company at 75 or $80 price range. So looking at the premiums, if I go, let's say $75, that is giving me $100. So this is definitely not bad. This is slightly over 1%. So I can go for this one. Let me check Toast. Yeah, Toast I like so much, but it already went 5% up today. So that actually reduced a lot of premiums. But let me see if I can sell cache circuit ports at 37 or 38. So if I look at 37, that is giving me 77. Oh, this actually looks good and better than block. Yeah, let me see. Maybe I can go 36 and sell two contracts. That gives me more than 200, more than $100. I think this sounds good to me. Let's see what other companies. So Dropbox, not much. Texas Roadhouse, yeah, the stock price is too high. I think that's pretty much this week. Walmart is another good one, but I don't see better premiums if I want to buy around $95, so I'll skip it. I think that's pretty much. There are popular companies like you, but I don't like them. Okay, it looks like a Toast sounds better option for me this week. So I will go with Toast. So 56, what if I say 0.57? That is still high likely. So review, I can actually buy two. Sorry, selling two contracts. That's giving me 114. Okay, selling cash secured put, two contracts at 57. Review, submit. All right. So I sold two cash secured puts and collect $114. Wow, this is all good. Okay, Toast. Cash secured put. And I collected okay, for Toast I collected 114. And for NVDX I collected $80. NVDX covered call. Oh, $80. And one more. MSTX I collected 105. MSTX covered call 105. I think that's pretty much. I have only $900 of buying power. I cannot sell any cash secret ports with this money. So I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, for February, so far I made 976. Okay, that's pretty much for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next